Affiliate marketer defined.
According to the World's Glossary of Internet Terms, affiliate marketer is defined as a business relationship with a merchant or other service provider who allows you to link to that business. When a visitor clicks on the link at your site and subsequently makes a purchase from the merchant, you receive a commission based on the amount of the sale, a referral fee, or a pay-per-click fee. This is a simple, straightforward agreement between a merchant and an affiliate. Budding affiliate marketers run into a problem when they try to reverse the success process. Instead of starting at the beginning, they try to start at the end. Making money is the end of the process. The beginning of the process is education, and there are several steps in between. Too many people, who are just getting started in affiliate marketing, fail to take the steps necessary to get to the end of the process and actually make money. Step number 1, educate yourself. This is the key, opening the door of opportunity. It's also the common thread connecting successful affiliate marketers. Education lays the foundation, the building blocks, to success. Start by gathering the best information you can find about affiliate marketing and absorbing it. Step number 2, turn that information into usable knowledge. Even the best information remains kind of worthless, however, until after you discover how to use it, how to make it serve your purpose. Step number 3, start applying the knowledge, take action, start building your affiliate business. Will you make mistakes, even though you've invested all that time educating yourself? Yes, you most likely will make mistakes. Step number 4, test and tweak, test and tweak. This one never ends. And it's often the dividing line between succeeding and failing. Attention to small details often returns big rewards. Following these steps will define you as a successful affiliate marketer. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.